Okay, ito na nga my freaking besties. After 5 hours of freaking long drive from Puerto Princesa, finally, agoy kalabi na jud mi sa Batangas Tourism Office, Buliloyan Port, going to Balabac default. Nakaka-excite. Sino man na kasi di ba i-excite, right? It's Balabac, my freaking besties, buang. So anyway, from Buliloyan Port, sumakay kami ng passenger boat. Hindi kasi dumating ang private boat namin. Over. So the moment we arrived, nag-island hopping na kami agad-agad, my freaking besties. Usay dugayon na. Oy! So from passenger boat, we transferred to our private yacht. Uy, over. But yes, kami na ng mga vessels ko sa bangka. Of course, it's part of the package. At habang papalapit kami ng papalapit sa island, napansin ko na tuyong-tuyo ang mga damo-damo at walang katao-tao. Tapos...
Oh, shit!
Bitches! This is our first island! Simulan na natin ang pagbabad sa under the sun. Yes, Philippines is so freaking beautiful!